Alright y'all, so we in the car on the way to pick up these cool gray 9's. So we was doing running some errands a little bit earlier. Put this seatbelt on, we right up the street from the mall, so we not gonna waste no more time but to get there, so let's go. Alright y'all, so we are back at the house from JD Sports in the mall. You already know we had to double up today. If I get it on my account, wifey gonna get it on hers. So we gonna break it down for you, show you what we got. So first things first, we got this size 12 here. Size tag reads medium gray, cool gray dash white. The box on this one is kind of thrashed a bit, but luckily for me, my personal size doesn't have too much bad damage into the box. Yeah, so size 12, and then we got a size 11 and a half, same size tag. First thing that I noticed when it came to these boxes is even though it's a half size difference, like this 11 and a half is way smaller than the size 12 itself. I pointed that out. I was just like, that's crazy. It's just a half size difference, and then the box is literally just almost a ½ inch thicker than 11 and a half. So if you picking up y'all sizes, just keep that in mind when you see them. Even though it's a half size difference, the sizes are kind of similar. We gonna set this size 12 to the side because the box is kind of messed up. It's gonna mess up my presentation for YouTube purposes here. From the top, we just gonna jump right into it. From the top of the box, you have Jordan Air with the red Jumpman logo there. Pop the top, you are greeted with regular white paper this time around, and then when you peel it back, you have the cool gray 9's. So I know when it comes to the Jordan community, the sneaker community, not too many people are fine with Jordan 9's, but me personally, I just feel like you gotta have the right colorway. But let me put this box away so I can explain. But yeah, so let me explain. So cool gray 9's are very nice. I feel like it's a great representation of the Jordan 9 silhouette. You do have a ton of different colorways that came out with Jordan 9's, but I feel like if you're gonna have some, you gotta have these. You gotta have the playoffs, the university blue versions, which was basically the playoffs, but instead of a red Jumpman, it was a blue Jumpman. Yeah, so this is one of them ones. Do I feel like I'm gonna keep this for myself? I do not know yet. Only time will tell. I like to have it in the closet for a little bit of time, see what other releases come out, see what shoes I end up getting rid of, to see if this is gonna be something that I hold on to. But for now, it's gonna stay in the collection. Let's break down the sneaker itself. So as you can see, you have that light gray nubuck material on the top. You have these pods here with different indentions on the outside and on the inside. On the outsole, you have the Jumpman Air, and you have this textured material when it comes to the outsole. Has like a gray translucent sole. Over time, these may show some signs of yellowing, but you have white laces inside of them. Air Jordan written on the tongue. On the back, you have the Jumpman with the globe logo located on there. So you have that with 23 stitched in on the back. Patent leather coming all around from the rooter to the tutor, from the front to the back. It's gonna go all the way around. On the midsole, it is gonna be white Jumpman logo there on the side, and on the inside you do have a little bit of like a boot texture, so it kind of hugs your feet a little bit, gives you more of that secure feeling if you are going to use these to play basketball in. Not time to the 10 people these days. They're buying Jordans and they're just using it for lifestyle purposes. But size tag behind the tongue, and then yeah y'all, that's pretty much it. Cool gray 9's. Did you grab these today? Did you take an L? They did sell out on sneakers, men's and grade school, but when I did show up to JD Sports, they did have some sizes sitting. So hopefully by the time you see this, if you do want this pair, you can go to your local Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD, whatever's near you, and hopefully, I got my fingers crossed for you, you can go and pick up your size as well. Rock them however you like to. But yeah, y'all get in the comment section if y'all rather have the cool gray 9's or, let me grab them, or the cool gray 11's. Now, The Cool Gray 11s, I don't know why I haven't worn these yet. And that's part of the reason why I don't know if I want to keep these as well. They're the same shoes, like literally. From the upper, the color of the upper to the patent leather on the side. Like I feel like the patent leather is a little bit dark on the 9. But literally like the Cool Gray 9s versus the 11s. I feel like I'd pick the 11s, but I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Am I tweaking or am I bugging, or is my points valid? Like, would you rather have the Jordan 11 on foot or the Jordan 9 on foot? But outside of that, y'all, like I said, let me know in the comment section. Chop it up with me. Yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next release. I do have to show y'all a little sneak peek. We're not gonna unbox it on this video, but you gotta stay tuned for the next video, and that's gonna be for this shoe right here. So yes, we did grab the Union and Jordan 1 highs. What is it? The varsity red. I don't know. I forgot what it is. Chicago. I don't know. You know what it is. You let me know in the comment section what it is. But yeah, we got the Unions, man. So definitely gonna do an unboxing of this. I haven't opened it up fully. I just took them out the box. But you guys will also have another opportunity to be able to grab those on Sneakers app here later in March, hopefully within the next like week or so. And yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. Cool Gray 9s finally are making a reappearance here in 2025. A lot of people have been waiting on this silhouette. There's a lot of Jordan 9 fans out there. There's a lot of people that aren't really too fond of Jordan 9s. Let me know where you stand on that debate or discussion. Are you rooting for the Jordan 9? Or are you not that big of a fan? Y'all let me know. Outside of that, spring break, y'all. A lot of people are enjoying themselves. If it's spring break for you, hopefully you enjoy. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Like I said, we got them Unions over there we gotta unbox. And yeah, it's your boy Moody. I'm checking out. And I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. So appreciate y'all for watching. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Like, hit that notification bell so you get all the videos that's coming out on the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Appreciate y'all, but I'm gone. Bye.